Now we're going to separate the egg. I've already separated 2 eggs here. And for those of you who are wondering how to separate an egg, you pull it apart like that. Make sure the white goes in the white bowl, and then drain it out with the shell, being careful not to pierce the yolk. Then the yolk goes into the yolk bowl. Wash the hands. And next, we add 3 tablespoons of the cornstarch. Into the yolk, straight into the yolk. That's 1, that's 2, and 3. Making sure that it's a level tablespoon. We then take our whisks and whisk the egg, being careful not to scramble it too heavily. Mix in the cornstarch, make sure it's wet with the egg. And there you have it.